Have you ever wondered how bird parents decide which of their chicks to feed first? It's a fascinating process, influenced by various factors, from the hunger level of the chicks to the species' unique parenting strategies. Today, we're diving into the world of avian parenting to explore how birds ensure their young ones get the nourishment they need. Birds generally feed their chicks based on need rather than birth order. This means parents often prioritize the chicks that beg the most actively or appear the hungriest. It's a race for attention, where the loudest and most persistent chick often gets the worm, literally. However, in some bird species, the older chicks may have a competitive edge. Being stronger and more aggressive in their begging, they often outcompete their younger siblings. This competitive advantage means that the first hatched chick might receive more food, especially when resources are scarce. It's survival of the fittest at its most primal. But not all bird parents let their chicks fend for themselves. Some species take a more egalitarian approach, distributing food more evenly among their offspring. These caring parents ensure that even the last hatched chick gets a fair share of the meal, promoting survival for all their young ones. The feeding behavior of birds can vary widely depending on several factors, including the species, environmental conditions, and the availability of food. For example, in environments where food is abundant, parents might not need to be as selective, while in harsher conditions, they may have to make tough choices to ensure the survival of the fittest. In the end, the methods birds use to feed their chicks are as diverse as the species themselves. Whether it's the loudest chick getting the meal or a fair distribution among all, these strategies have evolved to give each species the best chance of survival. So, the next time you see a bird feeding its chicks, you'll know there's a complex and fascinating story behind every bite. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of avian parenting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. Until next time, keep exploring nature's wonders.